And so we are at the new club, and this is my little son Ayush who's sitting and eating. What is he eating?
Uh, drumstick.
Yeah, what drumstick?
Chicken drumstick.
Chicken drumstick. Would like to eat another piece?
No?
And I'm a pure vegetarian, a vegan in fact. But it's like my son, obviously, like he enjoys non-veg and he's 4 years old. No, how old are you?
6 years old.
You're 5 years old, baby. And so that's what I'd rather not. I'd rather have him be like let him choose whether he wants to be a vegetarian or a vegan or. But so that's what we are enjoying this evening out, and I look like I have like a major double chin. But this is nice. So in a video like this, I'm not sure which way to look. So I'll end the video right here. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.